مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Today's lesson, again, it is continuation of our topic, asking and giving direction. We're still on we're now on page 43. Page 43, and it is dialogue 11. Dialogue 11 between the students and the teacher. Let's hear what they have to say for themselves. First question. من فضلك دلني من فضلك دلني على أقرب طريق إلى مكتب نقابة طلاب الجامعة. Please direct me by the shortest route to the University Students' Union office. Let's analyze that. من فضلك, that means please. دلني, from verb دل يدل, which is one of your doubled root verb. دل يدل, دلني, direct me. You can say udlulni as well. Udlulni or dullani. Dullani, direct me. على أقرب طريق. Direct me by the nearest route. أقرب طريق, nearest way, nearest route. Direct me by the nearest route. إلى, to. مكتب is an office. نقابة is a union. طلاب is students. الجامعة is university. One more time. مكتب, that's an office. نقابة, that's a union. طلاب, that's students. الجامعة, that's university. So, please direct me by the nearest route to the University Students' Union office. دلني على أقرب طريق إلى مكتب نقابة طلاب الجامعة. And the answer was سيرا, that's another question. سيرا على الأقدام أم بالسيارة? On foot or by car? Literally means سيرا, walking on your feet. That's what it means literally. سيرا على الأقدام, walking on foot. or بالسيارة, or you driving. سيرا على الأقدام, يعني راجلا, are you on foot? بالسيارة, or by car. And he said سيرا على الأقدام, on foot. من فضلك دلني على أقرب طريق إلى مكتب نقابة طلاب الجامعة. سيرا على الأقدام أم بسيارة؟ سيرا على الأقدام. The man then said, سر, go إلى نهاية هذا الشارع. Go to the end of this road. سر, proceed, go. إلى, to, نهاية هذا الشارع, to the end of this road. ثم اتجه. ثم, as mean then. اتجه, turn. ثم اتجه, then turn. يمينا, turn right. سر إلى نهاية هذا الشارع ثم اتجه يمينا. Go to the end of this road, then turn right. تجد محطة الوقود. You will find a petrol station. You find a petrol station. محطة means station. وقود means fuel. You'll find a petrol station مباشرة immediately على اليسار on the left. سر إلى نهاية هذا الشارع. Go to the end of this road. ثم اتجه, then turn يمينا, right. تجد, you will find محطة الوقود, a petrol station على اليسار on the left. ادخل في الشارع الثالث. Enter the third road. It's like a turn, take the third road, but literally mean enter. دخل يدخل, ادخل في الشارع الثالث. Take the third road من الناحية اليمنى, on the left, or on the right rather, يمنى, on the right. Now you have يمين, that's a masculine of right. يمنى, that's feminine version of right. ادخل في الشارع الثالث من الناحية اليمنى, on your right side. تجد, you will find مكتب نقابة, the office of the union office, نقابة, في الدور الثاني, on the second floor. الدور mean floor, it can mean طابق as well, floor. في الدور الثاني, on the second floor. من المبنى, of the building. المواجه, facing, from وجه, from face, or from the وجه, face. المواجه, facing المستشفى الولادة, the maternity hospital. مستشفى, that's mean hospital. الولادة, that's maternity. So, سر إلى نهاية هذا الشارع, ثم اتجه يمينا. تجد محطة الوقود على مباشرة, immediately, على اليسار, on the left. ادخل في الشارع الثالث. Take the third road من الناحية اليمنى, to your right. تجد, you find مكتب النقابة, the union office, في الدور الثاني, on the second floor. من المبنى, of the building. المواجه, facing لمستشفى الولادة, facing the maternity hospital. So that is the end of the dialogue number 11 on page 43. Let's do the reading of the dialogue 11 directly from the book to conclude the lesson. أستاذ, a teacher, من فضلك, please, دلني على أقرب طريق إلى مكتب نقابة طلاب الجامعة. Please, can you direct me by the shortest route to the University Students' Union office? طالب, student said, سيرا على الأقدام أم بسيارة? By foot, or on foot, or by car. سيرا على الأقدام أم بالسيارة؟ الأستاذ, the teacher said, سيرا على الأقدام, on foot. Then the طالب starts describing how to get there. And he said, سر إلى نهاية هذا الشارع. Go to the end of this road. Go to the end of this road. ثم اتجه يمينا. Then turn right. تجد محطة الوقود. You will find a petrol station أو مباشرة على اليسار. Immediately, مباشرة على اليسار. To your left. ادخل في الشارع الثالث. Take the third road. من الناحية اليمنى. From the right hand side. تجد, you will find مكتب النقابة, you find the union's office في الدور الثاني, on the second floor, من المبنى of the building المواجه, facing لمستشفى الولادة, the maternity hospital. Here we are. Now you have plenty of phrases and sentences and vocabulary, which is absolutely sufficient for you to ask for direction and give direction with absolute confidence. So go back right from page 40. You find we're asking direction, long passage that we have dealt with, and huge amount of vocabulary, cover all the necessary areas for asking and giving direction. Then you have on page 42, we have al-irshad ila al-amakin. We have dialogue 8, dialogue 9, dialogue 10, and now we have just concluded dialogue 11. My word, is huge amount of information for you there, and no excuse whatsoever not to be able to ask for direction and give direction with absolute confidence and speaking Arabic. MashaAllah, that's brilliant. Please practice what you are learning. Every day learn your vocabulary. Spend about 15 minutes a day. You will be fine. You can distribute that 15 minutes to 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the afternoon, 5 minutes in the evening. Just keep at it every single day. You will be amazed how, confident you will become in speaking Arabic. I've seen it all before. Many of my students that I teach on Skype, really, they're doing fairly well. I wish you luck as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click below to make donation to my charity, Helping Hands for Education, please. In the meantime, see you next lesson. مع السلامة إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.